finally got a room for my workspace. Although this entire room is not my workspace, it's going to be a common room and a guest room as well. But I'm going to get a nice corner for myself and I'm going to set up with you today. So let's get started. Number one, we're going to set up this table. I have never ever assembled anything in my life so big alone, and I'm going to do it right now. All of this stuff DIY, but I'm sort of enjoying it because it's so far quite easy for me. The table is almost ready and I'm excited to see how it's going to look like. Got this table off from Amazon. My husband does all of this assembly around the house, but this was my workspace and my study table and my work table, so I want to do it on my own. It's just not going in. I think I've jinxed it. Let's see. Yeah, it's going in. Oh wow, it perfectly fits here. So I'm finally done with the assembly and now for the reveal. So I finally assembled my work table. It fits perfectly. It just stops right before the radiator over here, and it will also give me natural light. First I decided to set it over here so that I can get natural light as much as I can, but as you can see, this is a window and I get distracted very easily. So cars passing by, people passing by, I will be tempted to look outside, which I will be even sitting over here, but it will be a little less. I'm finally so happy to be able to get a proper room for my workplace. Yes, in the previous setting I used to work in the living room on the dining table, which was not an ideal setup for a person who gets distracted very easily. But this one I'm sure is going to increase my productivity to the next level, and let's keep fingers crossed. This looks quite empty, so for that you need to watch my next video where I will set this work table along with you. Bye!